Constitutional clauses on royal power. During the English Civil War, 1642 to 1651, several constitutional clauses and precedents were established to limit royal power. While the war itself did not directly produce these limitations, the subsequent events and documents did. Petition of Right, 1628. Although not directly related to the English Civil War, this petition established certain liberties for subjects, including prohibition of imprisonment without due process, protection against excessive bail and fines, limitations on martial law and the use of troops for civilian purposes, the right to a fair trial, and the protection of habeas corpus. Magna Carta, 1215. Although not new during the English Civil War, Magna Carta's principles of limiting royal power and protecting individual rights were reaffirmed and expanded upon. Putney Debates, 1647. During the English Civil War, the new Model Army Grandees and humble, leveler-influenced figures debated a new constitution. While no formal document emerged, the debates laid the groundwork for future limitations on royal power. Bill of Rights, 1689. The English Bill of Rights, passed in 1689, established specific constitutional clauses to limit royal power. Declaration of Right. This document, incorporated into the Bill of Rights, stated that the Crown's power was derived from Parliament, and that the monarch could not exercise authority without the consent of the people as represented in Parliament. Limitations on royal power. The Bill of Rights restricted the monarch's ability to disband Parliament without its consent, raise taxes without parliamentary approval, appoint judges and other officials without parliamentary consent, exercise martial law without parliamentary authorization. Precedents. The English Civil War and its aftermath established precedents for limiting royal power, including the idea of parliamentary sovereignty, which held that Parliament, rather than the monarch, was the supreme authority in the land. The concept of constitutional monarchy, where the monarch's powers were limited by a set of laws and customs. The importance of regular parliaments, free elections, and parliamentary privilege. These constitutional clauses and precedents, established during and after the English Civil War, have had a lasting impact on the development of constitutional law in the United Kingdom and beyond.